In the heart of a luminescent nebula, a sleek spacecraft materializes, gliding silently through the iridescent clouds of interstellar dust. The ship's hull reflects the dazzling colors of the distant stars as it accelerates towards a nearby planet, a world brimming with uncharted wonders and potential dangers. As the spacecraft approaches the surface, the scene shifts to the stark contrast of a bustling cyberpunk metropolis. Towering skyscrapers pierce the sky, their surfaces glistening with holographic advertisements. Neon-hued drones zip through the air, weaving deft paths between flying vehicles that dart through the geometrically ordered chaos. Inside the city, another world unfolds, markets where humanoid androids exchange goods with organic beings, a symphony of clattering metal and animated conversation. A lone figure with a biomechanical arm navigates the throngs, eyes glowing softly beneath the shadow of a high-top hood. A sudden transition takes us beyond urban sprawl to a mysterious alien landscape, where towering crystalline structures radiate an ethereal glow under the twin suns' watchful gaze. Exotic flora pulses with bioluminescence as creatures of unimaginable forms traverse the terrain with silent grace, communicating in a language of radiant hues. Above, the sky opens to a burst of colors as meteors streak across the horizon, illuminating a path over an expansive ocean. At its center lies an enigmatic monolith, half submerged and emitting rhythmic pulses that ripple across the water's surface in mesmerizing concentric circles. With a smooth transition, the narrative returns to space, where the spacecraft now orbits a ringed gas giant. Its rings shimmer under the intense light of the nearby star, a backdrop of serenity contrasting with the frenetic energy of the bustling planet below. As the video draws to a close, the spacecraft's engines ignite with a profound hum, pulling away from the gravitational embrace of the alien world. It disappears into the depths of space, leaving behind a trail of luminescent particles as the vast, infinite cosmos beckons with untold possibilities.